This is the unboxing and review of the Samsung refrigerator of 189 liter 5-star rated single door. You cannot buy this product from offline. This is the exclusive online product. Highlighted features are energy efficient 5-star rated digital inverter technology, 20 years warranty on compressor, base stand drawer, stabilizer free operation, antibacterial gasket, toughened glass shelves, and many more. If you are planning to buy a refrigerator for 3 to 4 people, then this will be the right choice for you. Stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This is the box pack of the refrigerator model number RR21C2H25CR/HL and the color variant is Camellia Purple. Now let's quickly reveal it. Now let's see the exterior look, the modern Camellia Purple pattern. Top front of the refrigerator contains Samsung branding and top right corner 5-star energy efficient certification. It consumes only 131 unit in 365 days. Now you can see long-term warranty on compressor as many as 20 years. This refrigerator can be operated through inverter even by solar as it consumes less power than 2 CFL bulbs. It also offers stabilizer-free operation, protects the refrigerator against voltage fluctuation from 100 volt to 300 volt. And finally, 21 years of reliability tested by VDE. VDE certification signifies quality standard, making it a trusted mark of approval for electrical and electronic product worldwide. This sticker contains customer care number, WhatsApp number, and web support address. So if you face any problem, you can contact through these numbers. As a caution, it is written, these two sides of the refrigerator may get warm. This is designed to reduce the moisture and this is not a malfunction. The back can be cleaned easily. The back itself is a smooth safety cover for vital coils and cables and it can be easily wiped clean. The lower rear part contains the compressor which has 20 years warranty, long-lasting warranty. This is. As a refrigerant, cyclopentane is used here which does not harm our nature instead of CFC. Now let's pull the horizontal curved door handle to see inside. Backside of the door contains total 5 horizontal racks. 2 of them are egg tray with guard and remaining lower 2 for small and big bottles rack with bottle guard respectively. Inside the refrigerator, there are total 3 adjustable shelves. Lower part contains one veg box which stores vegetables and fruit and keeps fresh even after 15 days. The upper portion, there is deep fridge with door and temperature control knob. There is also one defrost switch to defrost the excess ice in this segment. Temperature knob can be controlled manually according to the seasons. There are total 3 seasons mentioned as summer, monsoon and winter, so set it accordingly for perfect operation. This is the empty ice tray. We have got ice cubes after the operation of the refrigerator first time, you can see here. There is one extra space for dry vegetables. Base stand drawers stores all your food items that doesn't need cooling, such as onion and potato. After switching on the refrigerator, when door is opened, an intense LED light automatically gets switched on. This LED is sufficient for illuminating the whole refrigerator. And finally, the key to lock and unlock the door. And look at the cute key keepers here. This is the warranty cum user manual. Keep it in a safe place for future requirement. In a nutshell, in 15K price bracket, this is the right choice for the family of 3 to 4 people. Samsung also provide 20 years long-term warranty on compressor. So go and grab it without any hesitation. The price may change. Check the link in the description given below.